All right, guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we have a word of the day, and our word of the day is this word. Now, actually, I'm going to build it with the word cards first. Okay, so that way we can tap it out. Okay, this is our word of the day. I want you to tap this word out right now without me and see if you can figure out what the word is. Go ahead, tap it out. I heard some of you doing it. Okay, let's do it all together and see if you guys got it right. Okay, so we're going to tap it out. We have a consonant, and then we have the glued sound pattern AM. Remember, AM gets one tap and it says am. So let's tap this word out. Ready? Am, ham. Is that the word you got? Ham is our word of the day today. Ham. Now, I'm going to show you this word on this card. Remember, when we're reading books or any kind of text in an article or a passage, the words on the page do not look like this. They are not color-coded to help us know the different parts of the word. We have to do that with our own brains. We have to realize and we have to find the different parts of words so that we can decode them as we are reading. So, I have the word here. Now remember, when we are marking up words that have glued sounds, we always put a box around the glued sound. So, I'm going to mark up this word, simple. Just going to put a box around the glued sound, A-M. Like this. This way, I can see that this way I decoded the word myself, so I know how to read this word without tapping out every individual sound, right? I can see the box and I can say, oh, that's a glued sound pattern. That's going to get one tap and it's going to say am. Am, ham. Awesome. Okay, this is how you mark up the word ham. I'm going to put this on the board, actually, with it marked up. There we go. Can you see that, kind of? Okay, now I'm going to use the word ham in a sentence. So I am going to get my sentence frames out and ready. And we all know that ham is something we eat. So my sentence is going to be, we had ham for lunch. We had ham for lunch. We had ham for lunch. So I'm going to start with the uppercase letter frame. We had ham for lunch. Now, let me talk you through this process. Okay, before I even get started, I'm going to read my frames very carefully, and I am going to circle the trick words, okay? The first word in my sentence is we, and that is a trick word that we have learned, so I'm going to circle it. We had ham for. For was a trick word, so I'm going to circle it. Lunch. We had ham for lunch. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and write the words on my frames. The words that I circled are trick words, so I should know how to spell those if you have been practicing your trick words, okay? We. Remember, this is the beginning of a sentence, so that W needs to be uppercase. We had. Let's tap it out. Had. Ham. This is our word of the day. For. Trick word. Lunch. I'm going to tap out this word. can't forget my period. Okay, so before I read this sentence all together, let's go through and mark up this sentence. So, I already circled the trick words. I have a glued sound pattern, A-M, so I'm going to put a box around that. And I have a digraph. Remember, we underlined the digraphs. Okay, now my sentence is marked up. I'm going to go ahead and read it. We had ham for lunch. Now I need my fluency sweeps so I don't sound like a robot. We had ham for lunch. Okay, read it with me. We had ham for lunch. All right, boys and girls, great job. So your seesaw assignment is going to be over the word of the day, which is ham. You're going to mark up the word, and you are going to create your own sentence with the word for me. I'll see you in the next lesson. Adios, folks.